Good morning, Bonka. Oh, what's that? What was that? And give Grandma a kiss. Hi. Hi. You finally woke up? And your brother's sleeping. My good girl. My good girl. CP. Is that a new toy, Emmy? Oh, what's in there? Oh. You got Grandma's keys? Are you gonna drive Grandma's car? You gonna take Grandma's car for a spin? Scratch your back. Look at me. Scratch your back. Does it feel good? Scratch your back. You do it. Scratch your back. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Is that the spot? Scratch your back. Scratch your back. Scratch. You do it. Good girl. You gonna scratch Grandma's back? How long you been up? Oh, silly, you fell asleep in Grandma's bed. Yeah? Well, how come you didn't tell me you were up?
Because I was really tired.
Oh.
Hey!
But when did you wake up?
When came up
Hmm.
here.
You didn't call me.
I did it! Yeah.
You want to go back to sleep?
No. Go back to baby. Mommy. Don't you agree on me? Let me give you a kissy, baby. Let me give you a kissy.
You know that it's really in the afternoon, past your lunchtime, and it's like your nap time right now.
It is?
Yeah.
It's my nap.
Yeah. You slept in the morning and you slept right up until your nap time. Why are you so tired?
Because
What'd you do last night?
I had to get my breakfast ready.
Oh, and that wore you out?
Yeah.
That made you tired?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi.
Andrew, let her play.
I mean. Here, baby. Ha. Ha. Emmy. Hi. Let's play. Umbrella birds can be so loud that they can be mistaken for hippos. Ha. Emmy. Let's play Guess the Animal. Push the matching letter button. Keep trying. Keep trying. It's a newt.
Is the moving rock stuck?
What?
Is the moving rock stuck?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know moving rocks could talk too.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Oh. 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 All right.